Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change moving wallpaper in laptop. To start, open the Windows Store, search for the Lively Wallpaper app. When you open it, click on Get. Wait for it to be downloaded and installed on the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When it has downloaded, click Open. When the application opens, you can click on any of the backgrounds, and after a moment, this background will be set on your desktop. You can open the application again. Click on the context menu to access some usage options. After this, click on the option Add Wallpaper. Here you can use a file or a web link if you have one. In this case, we are going to select an animated file. When it is loaded, we can set some options and then click OK to set it as the motion wallpaper. When you access the application, click on Active Wallpaper. You can see some usage options. To close it, click on the X and click OK. When you close this application, you must wait a few seconds for the process to complete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.